Hi everyone, my name is SERGE MAURICE LOBREAU. I'm the founder of Sapien Group and Flash Group, and today I will introduce to you in very short time, a few minutes, the new interface of FLASHXCHANGER. So I know that you guys were waiting since a long time the FLASHXCHANGER to be active, and I'm happy that we took our time to have everything set up properly, because we don't want to be a victim of hacking or stuff like that in the future. So we took our time to create a very easy, friendly interface, very easy to use as an audience. It's the mainstream audience. So what we did basically, it's we use a new system for the basic infrastructure, let's say the mainframe. So it took us a lot of time because, first of all, my developer team lives in Ukraine, so we experienced some issue, as you might know, about the situation happening right now. So despite of the situation, we worked and we found a solution to be able to deliver this exchange. So let's have a quick look on the exchange and let's see which kind of functionality we have. Right now I have listed 6 currency and cryptocurrency, let's say, and you have to know that we already coded like a 50 or 60 something coins. So we are counting on the community for them to tell us which kind of coin they want to see on the exchange. Of course, as you know, I think everybody knows that our exchange will be dedicated to asset-backed and asset-backed coin. So those will be the prioritized coin that we will put into the exchange, but we will have also other coin with added value, let's say like Polkadot, etc. So we will have a lot of coin in the future, so don't worry. So here is the main part on the left, the far left. It's the list of the coin that you have, of course. So you will be able to to select and to choose and to make the transaction directly from the machine, from the desktop. We also have the application version on Apple Store and Android that will be showing up very quickly in a few days normally. Okay, so you will be able to download it directly on your phone. To make a deposit is really simple. You click on deposit and you have the address, you copy and send. To make a buy, it's the same. Let's say I want to buy let's say 40. It mentioned to you the amount. Also, when you're buying, we don't take fees now. We don't take extra fees now. For now, we don't take anything. So you just click on buy. Transaction is proceed. We will have access to the transaction list after. So sell is the same thing. Let's say euro. You have the amount to sell. Let's say 40 again. I'm selling. Boom. Send the same thing. You put the wallet address, you put the amount, and you can submit. Okay, so it's very easy to use. Here on the right section here, we will have a real-time coin valuation, with a small graph showing that. Here you have your allocation, the number of the coin that you have, and you will be able to launch the trading terminal, where you will have let's say a lot of option to proceed basic option in cryptocurrency, like limits, etc. So, but as you can see, it's really simple, and I made it that way. I was willing the system to be very easy to use. Here on the far right, you have the portfolio overview, where you have a total of your coin. You have a percentage of the coin of your portfolio. So let's say that as here you will always have 6 sections. The biggest portfolio will be displayed, and of course, if you have a small portfolio of OZTG, you will not see OZTG here. It will be registered into others. Okay, so if you don't see OZTG, it's because your allocation is too slow. It's too low to be shown on the portfolio overview visual. Okay, so we have the Pro wallet, where I will do a professional, a pro presentation with the API, where a professional will be able to add the API of the FlashXCHANGER, and they will be able to accept ZTG, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum as means of payment. Okay, just like some merchants use another exchange, another wallet to accept cryptocurrency, we will be the same. But in the Pro wallet, we will also have all those special features like trading with with the option, with the merging call, etc. All those kind of options that you can find in any other exchange, you will have them here into the Flash Exchanger also. On the exchange, it's really easy. Okay, it's straightforward, so you can't be lost. So we did it like this because I wanted this transaction to be really easy to find, okay, and easy to do. So okay, and here let's visit the user face, the user interface, sorry. As you can see here, we have a very easy dashboard. History, you have the transactions that I did here just now, the 39, the 40. Okay, so it's appearing here directly. You have also the verification part, where we did some improvements into the time that we need to validate the identity because of the anti-money laundering and KYC rules. So we did good because now it's fast, and it's linked to a live database, national database like political exposed people, let's say Interpol files. It's stuff like that, to be sure that we will not have any issue with Lithuania, where we have a crypto license and wallet license. Okay, so you will find the number of the license on the front page like this. Everybody who wants to check, they will be able to do so. So here you will be able to Swift your desktop. I mean the color. It will be not right now. It's light, but you can be darker, just like we used to have before. I don't know if you remember. So basically, it's a short presentation. I will be, I will create another one where I'm going to be a little bit more specific on each option, and we will be, diving into the Pro wallet, and you will see all the functionality that we put. So I know for some people, it's a lot of time, and we took a lot of time to develop that. But when you want to do things right, in the right way, you have to take your time to do it and to check everything. Because we are not a top 3 or top 10 exchange. We are specialized. We are an exchange for the niche, as you know, for asset pegged and asset backed, and we need to take our time to make sure that we will not have some kind of hacking and stuff like that. So that's why we took a time, because there is a lot of money in play here. I want to thank the community for the support that they give us, and I also want to thank all the people who lost the faith. Because of you, we continue to work just to deliver and to show you that we are serious company. We are really motivated people, and Flash Exchanger is one of the keystone, let's say one of the cornerstone of the Sapien Group and of the Flash Group. So you will see in the future, we'll bring to you amazing news, and we will continue to develop and to communicate with you on a better, regular basis. Thanks everybody, and I hope to talk to you soon.